Attached to this tip sheet are the sound box letter sheets and picture sheets. Start with the letter sheet 1 and help your child cut out the letters one row at a time. Mix up the letters for the first word, bat, and put them on the table.
What is this?
A bat.
Okay, now I'm going to say the letters of the sound really slowly, and I want you to pick out what letter it is. Okay, are you ready? B, ba, b. Good job. Ba, a. T, t, t. That was so quick. Awesome. This is a cup. Wait. Oh. What is that?
If your child needs help, ask him what the first sound is that he hears and then repeat just the first sound. See if he can find the letter that goes with that first sound. Do the same in the middle and ending sounds until he finds the right letters. Now try this with letter sheet 2 and picture sheet 2.
What is this girl doing?
Tub.
Taking a bath. B, b, b.
Bus.
A, th.
That's
Good job.
what are they called?
Ch, I.
Bat, fly, cup, bath, fish, chips.